The bank advertises an average customer wait time of less than 4 minutes. Now, they took a sample of 6 customer wait times. And the mean of the customer wait times in the sample was 6.25 minutes. And the standard deviation of the sample is 1.41 minutes. Now notice we don't know sigma. So this is the case of confidence intervals with sigma unknown. So we're going to use S. We're going to use S and table 4. And what we need to do is find T sub alpha over 2. Alpha is 1 minus the level of confidence. So alpha is 1 minus the confidence level, and that's given to you as 95%. So it's 1 minus 0.95, which is 0.05. So we're looking for, from table 2, for df equals 6 minus 1, okay, because n is 6, so df is going to be 5. And we're looking for T sub alpha over 2. Now again, alpha is 0.05. So we're looking for T sub 0.025. All right? So we go to table 4. And we look for T sub 0.025 with df equals 5. And when we do that, we go to table 4 for df equals 5, and looking for T sub 0.025, we find T sub 0.025 is 2.571. Now, the formula is on the back of the first page under chapter 8. And this is for sigma unknown. So it's on the right side. And what you do is find the confidence interval is x bar plus or minus T sub alpha over 2 times S over root n. X bar is the mean of the sample, 6.25 minutes. 6.25 plus or minus 2.571 times S, which is 1.41, over the square root of 6. And if you do this math out, you get 6.25 plus or minus 1.5. So 6.25 minus 1.5 is the lower limit. 6.25 plus 1.5 is the upper limit. And so that's 4.75 to 7.75. So again, this is for sigma unknown. So you're going to need S and T sub alpha over 2. Now, the other confidence interval is with sigma known. And this will be question 3b. And we just change things up a little bit. With sigma known, sigma is given as 2.5 minutes. And this time we've changed alpha. Alpha is 1 minus the level of confidence. This time the level of confidence is 0.99. So alpha is 0.01. So now, the formula with sigma known is x bar plus or minus z sub alpha over 2 times sigma over root n. And x bar, again, is 6.25. And z sub alpha over 2 comes from the narrow box under table 4. And so alpha, this time, is 0.01. So alpha over 2 is 0.005. So you go to the narrow box under table 4 to find z sub 0.005, which is 2.576, times sigma, which is 2.5, over the square root of 6. And if you do this out, you get 6.25 plus or minus 2.62. We call it 2.6. All right, so that's your answer. The lower limit, 6.25 minus 2.6. The upper limit, 6.25 plus 2.6. And again, that formula is on the back of the first page on the left side under Chapter 8. And so we're 99% confident that this interval contains mu.